I swear, these girls never clean up any of their messes anymore. This is getting ridiculous.
Woof, woof.
What?
Woof, woof.
Should I be scared? Don't be scared, Greg. Don't be scared. Another mess? Are you kidding me? 2 babies? Oh, I am scared now. Okay, you hungry babies, I got something good for you. Spinach. Open up. This is gonna make you big and strong. Okay, baby Annabelle, these are baked beans. They're really good for you. Come on. They're the musical fruit. The more you eat, the more you toot. Now open up. Okay, girls, these are sardines and they're really, really good. Come on, try a bite. Oh, what about you, Victoria? You want to try one of these? Well, I'll take you shopping in a little while. I'm going to go ahead and eat these now. Okay, baby Annabelle, let's sit this down here. Up, up. Oh, you're getting heavy. Let's try and get you in the cart. All right. Okay, baby Victoria. No, you don't need that. Listen, no toys in the store and no throwing fits. In the shopping cart you go. And you both be real good, okay? Don't be in a wild. Look at this. This isn't poop. This is pumpkin.
Diarrhea!
You got diarrhea, and you need to get some diapers. All right, let's get some cookies. What shall we get today? Oreos. I like those. Victoria, give those back to us. Here you go. Hey, look at me, little missy. You better be nice. Okay? No throwing fits in here. Which cereal do you want, Annabelle? Oh, well, that'd be good for you. Which one would you like, Victoria? You want some of this? This? Oh, yes. Alright. There you go. And you, pups. Alright, girls. You weren't the best in the store. But if you sit back there and be nice, you can eat your cereal.
Help!
Hey! Hey!
Hey!
Victoria! Annabelle! That's it. Oh, that's it. You are in big trouble. What do you think you're doing? Hey! Oh my gosh! Hey! Victoria, that's it. What do you think you're doing out here? Oh, you are in for it now, little missy. You hear me? That's it. Get your butt out of here. Get your butt out of here. You're a bad baby. You are a bad baby too. Oh, I got big problems with these bad babies. There's a hidden egg in this video. Can you tell us what color it is in the comments below? Click the card on the left to see Snake in the Potty Chair. It's one of our freakiest baby videos ever. Click the card on the right to see how all of this started. And don't forget to add us to a playlist and subscribe.